This is B2Gold Corporation, a low-cost gold producer. This company has 3 operating mines and exploration projects worldwide. All workers are well equipped to assure a safe manipulation of the pieces. The efficient use of the resources characterizes their remarkable work. The gold and silver refinery C. Hafner is an expert at ingot making. They bring precious metal bars made exclusively from secondary material. Their LBMA certification guarantees the highest purity of 9999. The ethical and ecological responsibility is also one of their priorities. Gold Avenue is a recognized retailer supported by the gold industry's leaders. Advanced techniques and a team of experts make their work truly exceptional. They offer a variety of options to find the ideal solution for the client's needs. Watching their process is quite mesmerizing, don't you think? The brilliant company refines precious metal from scrap to pure. Its great success is based on an effective 5-stage process. Using the latest technologies, they ensure the highest quality output.